So guys, first method, come to this website which is www.gigabyte.com, which is officially website. Then you can see here search button to click to, and just type your model number. Then guys hit enter. Then guys click to product. Now this click here, wait few seconds, it is. Then click to support. Then select your operating system which is using, and which is operating systems driver you have to require. So because I am using Windows 7, Windows 11, then click to select this. Audio driver, click to download. Now this is downloading, so please you have to wait, it will complete. After that you can see here automatically show the pop-up. Then open this, double click to setup. Now this is ready to install. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting to driver to your system. Then it is completed, then close it.